Hi, I'm Castro, Tech Center Manager here at MSC. Today we have an amazing demonstration for you. We will be using our MSC Edge Endmills that are designed by our engineers for engineers like you. To show you just how multi-purpose they really are, we are going to be showing you some crazy full slotting. Here's a standard length 12mm 4-flute MSC Edge Endmill, a popular size used across many machine shops. And today we're testing versatility by machining a range of materials most used on your shop floor. We will also be showing you how MSC Edge will perform against 3 other competitors. In the vise, we will clamp 5 different materials: a D2 tool steel, 316L stainless steel, EN8 and cast iron, which are all 17mm thick, followed by a 25mm thick 6061 aluminium plate. They are sticking up from the vise because we want to introduce vibration into the system and put the tool through its paces. Now, most manufacturers recommend an AP of 50% of the tool diameter. Some manufacturers might be slotting with an AP of 100% of the diameter. And that's what we will be doing when demonstrating the competitors' tools. However, with MSC Edge, we will be engaging 19mm of the flute length, which is 158% of the diameter. If we compare the MSC Edge Endmill to the competitors, MSC Edge runs smoother with less vibration. It's ran at a higher feed rate, and the tool was machining with a 50% higher depth of cut compared to the competitors. And to be frank, it sounded much better. If you're machining a range of different common materials, why have multiple tools in your carousel when you can have one? If you are looking to rationalize your tooling and save time and money, MSC Edge is your single tool solution. We've proved today that you don't always need a different tool when machining different materials. Let us know in the comments what materials do you commonly machine, and we will recommend the best tooling for your application. Don't forget to subscribe for more content from MSC.